Hey, Jack, thank you for the question. So, basically, your question is, can a Filipina stay loyal? In today's society of internet, of billions of choices around the world, now she has access to billions of people, right? Well, you can't keep a heart that doesn't want to be kept. So both of you have to be content in the relationship. Both of you have to be happy in the relationship. That's spiritually, physically, mentally, emotionally. You both have to be content in the relationship if it's going to work out. Relationships are difficult, but if you both are content, it makes it much easier. And this goes back to communication as well as understanding each other's culture and understanding what's going on with each other. You have to communicate with each other in such a way where both of you understand, in every sense of the word, understand each other. So whether it's Joe next door or Juan across the world or whoever, you both have to understand that you both have options. You have the option to stay and try to make things work out, or you have an option to leave, you know? So I hope this helps somewhat, but yeah, if she's stepping out, it doesn't matter if it's across the world or right next door. Um, and that goes the same for you as well, you know? You both have to be content with the relationship. So I hope this helps. Don't be shy to ask any other questions. Feel free to ask questions. And if you've been hurt in the past, you also have to express those hurts as well. Hopefully, you've healed before you got into this relationship with Filipina. And hopefully, things go well with you guys. See you guys in the next video.